We're northbound. I've got a unit coming up behind me.
X-ray 16 taking the pursuit.
X-ray 16 taking over northbound town from McKinley. Affirmed on the plate northbound town passing.
He's blowing the red light just at IS-10. Continuing north from IS-10. And he's slowing for the light at Laverne. And Beau's light at Laverne, we're continuing. Speeds are 40 now. Now, we believe that this guy was wanted for some type of traffic violation. It's unknown at this time. Our dispatch is trying to find out from the pursuing units what we had. And 16, we're going to be headed southbound now, San Antonio.
Southbound San Antonio from base.
He's signaling to go up here on Washington. And we're southbound Washington. He's going to run.
We're going to be southbound Reservoir heading down the hole.
Southbound Reservoir from Kingsley heading towards Holt.
Westbound on hold. Westbound on hold.
Down Holt from Reservoir.
Okay, going northbound on Arboleda. Northbound on Arboleda. Down on Mill, we're going to go westbound on Lincoln.
Down Lincoln from Bill.
Red light at your unit. Probably on TC. TC, starting in now.
Let me see some hands. Let me see some hands. Don't move. Don't move. Roll over. Roll over. Are you injured in any way? Your back and your legs? All right, we had to get you away from the car. We wanted to make sure it wasn't going to explode or anything, all right? All right. Are you hurt anywhere else besides your arms? Okay. Is he hurt?
What's that?
Is he hurt?
Yeah, he's awake, but he's not really responsive.
Okay. What do you got, Chief?
Well, we've got a parolee, commercial burglar parolee, who's got a G-Ride stolen vehicle, and you heard the call. Where
yes, sir.
Put it out. I saw him as he was going southbound on Gary Avenue, and one of the first things he tried to do was black out, and then unfortunately, he crashed right into that taxi cab driver.
So just to further demonstrate the impact forces involved with the collision, you see how far this pole has penetrated the back of this taxi cab. You're talking about 4,000, 5,000 pounds worth of American iron here, almost split in half by a power pole. A gentleman's on parole driving a stolen vehicle, fleeing, trying to get away. How's he doing, the victim?
He was given repetitive questioning a while ago.
Okay.
And I know he was KO'd for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
When your boys arrived. He's alert now.
Okay. Well, fire's saying he's alert, he is talking, and he is asking the fire department questions. So it looks like, at least for now, he's looking pretty good until they assess any internal injuries that he may or may not have. What happened when you contacted the suspect?
While I was talking to him, told me his name, admitted he was on parole for commercial burglary. While he was there, while he was talking about that, we're asking why he was running. He did tell us that it was a G-Ride, no driver's license, and a stolen car.
Trying to get away from the police.
A shocking crash caught on camera as a police squad gets hit while responding to a separate rollover crash.
74 radio. All right, we got another multiple vehicle accident. We need assistance up here, Cleveland.
It happened in Brantonall, Ohio on December 11th. Body camera footage shows officers respond to a crash on I-90.
Car up there hit her, which caused her to flip. There's a witness, she's back there.
While working to secure the scene and reroute traffic, a car crashes into one of the squads at full speed. You can see the responding officer rush to the side of the road. After the vehicle hits the squad car, it crashes into the back of a pickup truck, causing that to flip over.
74 radio. All right, we got another multiple vehicle accident. We need assistance up here, Cleveland.
Investigators say the driver of the car, 23-year-old Anita Locke, was drunk and nearly twice over the legal limit.
You all right? Is it just you in the car?
They say she blames the crash on officers for parking in the middle of the road.
We got 2 people in the front car. Passenger is unresponsive. She's highly intoxicated, apparently. And then I have a male trapped in the truck.
You're trapped in the truck?
He can't get out.
After the crash, the driver of the black pickup truck was temporarily stuck inside his vehicle.
You able to stand up at all?
But first responders helped him climb out of the wreckage. 4 people were taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. Locke has since been charged with operating a vehicle under the influence.
The drivers. Yeah. Stop right there. Get out of the road. Get out of the road. Get the out of the car. Shut the car off. Shut it off. Shut the car. Get the out.
Out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm shaking. I hurt my fucking hand. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in the freaking car. Ya. Entra el carro. Pon el pie dentro del carro. Sí, pues, déjame apoyarme.
2452 on Atkinson? Sure. 1 occupant. Reason for the stop is going to be excessive speed, no plate, and defective taillight. 7-3's with us. .740's taking off.
740 is going to be southbound on Titonia. 7-4, we're trying to catch up. Still southbound on Titonia. He can show us in pursuit. He's got about 2 blocks on us right now. He just went through red at Capitol. Speeds are about 70 miles an hour. Conditions clear. Traffic is crash. He just crashed. 2 blocks south. Capitol.
An occupant of the vehicle struck by the squad was transported to an area hospital and treated for life-threatening injuries and was ultimately listed as stable. An officer was treated for minor injuries.
Vehicle was entered out of East Cleveland, stolen.
Alright, pull that car up. Yep, by 3 males, all sleeping. Open up! Open up! Your hands. Let me see your hand. 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 Slow. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your shoes where they're at. Hey, we have back passenger. Hey, just move him. Move him.
Keep your hands up. In the area. 44.
Grab those keys out.
No, hold on, not yet. Oh, just keep an eye on him. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Here, get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Ain't nobody even did nothing, so I'm just saying, hold on.
No, just get out of the car.
I'm about to get out of the car. Can I get out?
Get out. Let's go. No, let me, show me your hand. Hey, calm down.
He's trying to.
Car's off.
Car's off.
The floor's off. Watch out, move! Let go.
I'm in.
Watch out, move!
Hey!
Watch out.
Get out!
No.
Get the down! Get the down!
Who are you? Who are you? Why
Get the down!
Why'd you do that?
Down! Right now! Somebody help here!
Why'd you do that?
Get off here! Get off down! On your stomach!
Is Pierce okay? Yeah, I'm good.
Get the down! Hey, get away from the car! Here! Get out of the car! Just let him go!
The crack. There's still one person inside.
Get out! Get out of the car!
Why'd you do that?
Get out! Right now! Somebody help here!
Why'd you do that?
Get out!
Help!
Down! On your stomach!
Help me!
Is Pierce okay? Yeah, I'm good.
Help!
Get on your stomach!
Help me! Help me! Help!
Very okay.
Help! 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 They're trying to kill me!
You tried to kill us. Relax.
Who's that?
Just turn around. Turn over right now.
Okay, just roll over. Turn over, you good. Roll over. I got him. Hey, I got it. Put his hand.
Get his left arm. Is there someone still in the car?
No, put your arm behind your back, man.
Seat. Check the back seat.
Ain't nobody even did nothing, so I'm just saying, hold on.
No, just get out of the car.
Alright, why don't you get out of the car? Can I get out?
Get out. Let's go. No.
Get out. Put your hands. Put your hands where I can see them at. Get out. Car's off. Put your feet around.
Watch out, move!
I'm in.
It's fine, man. It's fine, bro. Oh, shit. No. Help. Help.
Get out! Get the fuck down! Get the fuck down!
Who are you? Who are you?
Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Right now! Somebody help me! Get on the fucking ground! I'm good! Alright? Get on the fucking ground! On your stomach!
Is Pierce okay?
Yeah, I'm good! Oh, get on your fucking stomach!
Help me.
Help me! Okay? Is Caraballo good? You okay? Are you okay?
Are you good?
No, I'm good. Do we got all three?
Yo, put your arm behind your back.
Do we have all three?
Hey, yo, you gotta come up on time, give him time, okay?
Let them help you out. We'll take care of everything else. You get taken care of that.
Priority. got more than enough. Hell, there you go. You okay, man? Relax.
Yeah.
No, relax.
I want to make sure this guy gets.
I
think we have all three. Do we have all three?
got one right here. You got one over here, too.
Yes, officers are going to stay on one position, like pushing me down to the ground, bringing my arms up.
Stay off right now.
Set up. You're a grown man that can drive a car at cops. Set up.
No.
Car is empty.
No.
Alright, is there a description on the landscape, Richard Cove, or anything?
One run?
No. There was only three.
There's only three.
Yeah, we got one here and two there.
Stuff in here, what?
Cam 3 car, believe this, they have all three in custody.
We have all three.
Copy, all three are in custody.
The two cars are both right there on function.
You good?
I'm good.
Go over to EMS.
I would like to find my glasses. You guys
We will
find a
look for
pair
your
of
glasses.
eyeglasses
Go
in
over
there?
go over and talk to EMS.
I'm good.
Careful, make you do.
You
Any
have to.
glasses in these car are yours.
Vehicle is pulling a U-turn. No correction. He's just doing donuts in the intersection of Eddy Road and St. Clair.
A suspect is caught on camera blatantly taunting police, doing donuts and enticing officers to chase him. But all that fun comes to a crashing halt when he tries to make a break for it, but crashes into a parked squad car. The entire incident, plus the suspect's arrest, all caught on dash and body camera video.
Oh, that sucks. Should have went to the bathroom before your little escapade.
All this happened on September 11th in Bracknell, Ohio, just outside of Cleveland. Just before 3 o'clock that morning, officers noticed a black BMW driving strangely, deliberately slowing down near a squad car, but then speeding off when the sirens were turned on.
Last year to go again?
Dash camera video shows the suspect, later identified as 20-year-old Joseph Littlejohn, doing donuts, making multiple U-turns, and even dancing in his vehicle as officers watch on. Officials later determined the BMW he was driving had been stolen.
Go ahead. Am I able to do something about this? This guy's just doing donuts and taunting us.
96. He's right in front of us, sitting at Eddy and St. Clair.
Negative. Not at Eddy and St. Clair.
Vehicle's heading westbound on Eddy. We're turning around.
At first, officers chase after Littlejohn. But
But as he continues taunting them, officials stop the chase.
The vehicle is pulling a U-turn. No, correction. He's just doing donuts on the intersection of Eddy Road and St. Clair. I'm not pursuing him, even though he wants me to.
Copy, I was on a call with CPD.
Am I able to do something about this? This guy's just doing donuts and taunting us.
Officers can then be heard describing the erratic driving as Little John again speeds by.
He was just passing me on the opposite lane. The other vehicle's doing the same thing to me.
At one point, the suspect even opens the driver's side door and begins driving with it wide open.
Vehicle is now sitting on the Eddy Road bridge deck with the driver's side door open. And the male is letting the car roll as he stands next to it.
Amidst all this, Little John continues his unsafe driving, even traveling on the wrong side of the road.
That's him probably walking back around. Yep. Same thing.
He's flipping.
He's going, oh, he almost went the wrong way on the highway. Yep.
Vehicle just went head on at me.
Vehicle keeps going from the bridge deck to Lakeshore, up and down.
But it all goes off the rails when, in an effort to escape from police, Little John drives backwards down the road and crashes into a squad car and a pole. After that, another squad crashes into the BMW. Body camera video shows these same moments from another perspective. After the crash, Little John hops out of the stolen vehicle and runs off. Dash camera video shows officers chase after him. This video shows the moments from the crash all the way to the chase, when Little John is tackled to the ground.
You alright, Cash? Cash, you alright? You alright? Come here, bud. Come here, Pocket. Come here, Cash. Pocket. Come here, Pocket. Cash, Pocket. Pocket, Cash, Pocket. 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 Come here.
Stop moving! I'm gonna f***ing you!
Pocket.
Stop resisting!
Pocket. Pocket.
Stop resisting!
Body camera video from another officer shows these same moments from another angle.
Stop resisting!
Stand up.
I got in.
What's in the other one?
Hold it there.
We're gonna get tased again.
Little John is tased multiple times, but still refuses to cooperate with police.
Let it go. Pull your hand out. Go. Let it go. Let your hand go.
I know. Keep off your
No.
Off your I'm counseling.
It's a gun. I know it is. You want to get fucking shot over this? Let it go.
I would die.
Let go of it.
Gun.
Let me shoot me. Shoot me first. Shoot me.
Pass. Booth.
Shoot me.
You're gonna get bit. You're gonna get bit. You're gonna get tased until you put that arm out.
Oh, no.
You wanna get bit? You wanna get bit?
No. Let me go. Where? Okay, let me go. Okay. Alright, let me go real quick. The one that goes, I'm gonna walk off to the guy. The one that goes to the guy, I'll let go. The one that goes, please.
No.
The one that goes.
No.
Please, the one that goes.
Let your hand out and I'll let your neck go.
I'll take you over my neck. Let me. The one that goes.
You don't need your neck to let your hand out. Now do it now.
Okay.
Get your hand out now. Get it out.
But when things calm down, Little John asks officers to pull down his mask, but they refuse.
Right, you're good.
Shut up.
No. Just get your breath. You're good. You're ready. We'll get them up.
Keep my mask down, please.
What?
Put my mask down, please.
What do you want?
My mask down. Put my mask down.
I'm not pulling your mask down.
Please.
I don't care about your mask.
I really have asthma. Keep moving.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's great. You're talking and breathing perfectly fine right now.
Are you ready?
Yeah. We're gonna stand you up. Stand up. If you try to fight me, I'm gonna put you on the ground again. You understand me?
Yeah,
Stand up. Don't go that way. Get up. Get up.
Eventually, Little John cooperates and officers detain him.
Ready to roll?
Out of your mind.
Keep him there.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
After he's in cuffs, Little John continues to complain about problems breathing, but officers push back.
Copy.
Call the ambulance, please.
Why? I can't either. And I'm good. You're right.
You got your flashlight?
For what? You're talking, you can breathe. Sure shit weren't having those complaints when you were riding around like in your face. They'll be here in a minute, okay? Put one. I want one set of cuffs on him.
You try to
Or
move,
two.
I'm gonna drop a knee on you. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be pretty. I'm gonna drop all my weight on you. You're not gonna like it.
Okay.
He's already looking to swoop him under, and it ain't happening.
I can't breathe.
Stop moving your hands.
I can't breathe.
Shut up. If you're talking, you're breathing.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You're talking still. So you know how I know you're breathing? Because you're still talking.
Just feet on myself. Please let my legs go.
Oh, that sucks. Should have went to the bathroom before your little escapade.
Little John maintains he needs to go to the hospital, so EMS is called to the scene.
Just so you know, this isn't getting you out of jail. We're going to go with you to the hospital, and then we're going to take you to jail. So your ain't going to fly with me. You're still going. All right? Just so you know. Okay? You take care of yourself, all right?
As he's being loaded into the ambulance, Little John pulls his shirt over his face, but officers pull it right off.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, don't do that. You said you can't breathe, remember? You don't want to put your shirt over your face.
Can you stop moving?
Yeah, that's going to help. That's not going to help your breathing there.
Oh, well, you don't want to be on the news?
That's not going to help. If you can't breathe, I don't want your shirt over your face. You might suffocate yourself. You don't want to do that. Just looking out for your best interest.
After Little John was taken into custody, officials recovered a gun in that stolen BMW. He was arrested and now faces multiple charges, including fleeing and eluding an officer and having a weapon under disability.
All right, he's going over to the center divider. Unit stay on the right side. We got it for you. Wrong side of the road.
A routine delivery gone wrong when a suspect apparently carjacks an Amazon truck and leads police on a high-speed chase.
Speeds are about 45 miles per hour runway, almost TC'd into a white car.
It happened at about 5 o'clock Monday evening in Riverside, California, when two separate homeowners reported break-ins. Police say the suspect, later identified as Quinn Jarnell Larks, then stole an Amazon delivery truck and drove off.
Here, we're on readiness TC'd. Moderate TC on the freeway right there.
Police video shows the truck crashing into a car on the 60 freeway and later into two others.
Just TC'd really bad again into another truck. Vehicle's going to be disabled. We're going to keep an eye on it.
When the truck is seemingly stuck, the suspect jumps out of the vehicle and makes a break for it.
He's hopping out of the car, going to go northbound across the freeway. We got him.
After running across the freeway, he attempts to escape by climbing a highway sound barrier.
Wall just north of you guys.
It's only when he fails to get over the wall that the suspect turns himself over to police. Riverside officials say Larks was taken into custody and now faces charges of attempted murder, home invasion robbery, carjacking, assault with a deadly weapon, reckless evading of police, and suspicion of DUI of drugs causing injury.
Yesterday there was a robbery with a gun, and the suspect vehicle was a brown Honda Accord, and we're behind a brown Honda Accord in the same area, and the plate has a matching 3 letters. All right, 25, we are now eastbound El Camino from Grove, and looks like we're going to be in pursuit northbound Altos from El Camino.
Copy northbound Altos from El Camino.
Charles 25 speeds are 65 miles an hour, no traffic. Someone get a spike strip out on Norwood. We'll be coming out at Norwood here, westbound Arcade. We're about 25 miles an hour hitting a corner, and it'll be turning into Lindley. And stand by.
Westbound Arcade turning to Lindley.
All right, spike strip was missed. We're northbound Norwood. We're at 40 miles an hour. Permission to pit when authorized.
Copy westbound, make coming to levy.
So when we have an opportunity, I'm gonna go ahead and pit this car out and try to stall the engine. We've got enough units behind us. He's stopping for traffic just slow enough. We're doing about 40. Traffic is yielding. Coming up on Truxell westbound. He's shooting over to the very far left lane, and he just clipped a Lexus. He just clipped that white car back there. There wasn't anything major. I think they just rubbed a little paint.
25, can you pin him on his acceleration?
This car has some pep in its step. Every time I try, it's unsuccessful.
Wrong side of the road. He's southbound to the northbound lanes of Watt. Wrong side of the road.
Charles 25, that's affirmed. He is wrong side of the road. His speed is about 55, and traffic is yielding all the way down to the next major intersection.
Made his way through Marconi, continuing southbound. He's on the right side of the road now. Southbound, south of Marconi. And guys, we're pitting him. Okay, it's stopped. El Camino west of Watt. El Camino west of Watt. Hit a hydrant. Ivor's in the car. He's staying in the car. His hands are out the window.
Driver! Driver! Both hands out the window! Crawl out the window! Crawl out the window! Keeping your hands in sight! Crawl out the window! Let him talk! Let him talk! Keeping your hands in sight! Crawl out the window! What? Crawl out! Crawl out! Crawl out! Crawl out the window! When you get out, get on your face! When you get out, get on your face! Crawl! Walk on your hands and knees! Walk on your hands and knees! Keep coming! All right, flat down, all the way!
About 2 years ago, I ended up chasing Relations Pursuit up there in your guys' hood up top.
Yeah.
And same guy, same thing. Ended crazy pursuit ended, and then he ended up just giving up to the dogs and whatnot. But same dude, I saw the face. I go, that's the same guy. So he's
at all costs kind of guy, I guess.
He's bad news, man.
Yeah.
He's bad news. He will run. He will endanger anybody he can.
What happened out there?
I wanted to stop.
You wanted to? At what point?
I tried to whip my hands up. I was like,
Well, I saw you sticking your hand out the window. Is that what it meant?
was that you behind me?
Yeah, it was me.
Yeah.
But you never did stop though.
Yeah,
Why?
because he was on me. I was like, man, this dude's gonna end up hitting me. I'm gonna, you know.
Yeah. Well, I mean, what's up with it? Why did you? We didn't even light you up, and you just took off.
I was scared, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was probably at large.
Yeah. That's it. What's up with the car? Huh? Where'd you get that thing at?
Last night.
From who?
From some dude. And then we were in El Paso Heights.
Do you even know the guy?
No, not really, man.
So you got it from somebody you barely know, and you're probably at large, man. You decide you want to risk everybody's life for what?
Nothing.
For nothing, huh? Now look, you still going to jail for being at large. You still got in trouble in a stolen car, high-speed pursuit along with it. You just added that one on yourself.
And he did run a red light.
We're going to go ahead and conduct a traffic stop on this Volkswagen up here. He sat at a green light and made no attempt to go through. And he decided to go ahead and make a left down on red. Can I see your hands, please? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the problem over there?
I was trying to do a turn signal.
Well, I know, but you're sitting at a green light to go straight, and then you got a red and you waited, which was good. And then you got a green light to make a left-hand arrow, but you weren't in that lane and you went anyways.
I thought I was in the lane to turn. I'm just like,
Where are you headed?
I'm going to my husband's house.
Where are you coming from?
My parents' house.
You been drinking?
No, I don't
No? How old's the boy back here?
drink. He's going to be 4 April 12th.
He's gonna be 4?
Uh-huh.
Is he wearing a seatbelt?
That belt thing doesn't go around.
So if he makes it to 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's unacceptable, okay?
Yeah.
We'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
All right. Frank 52. And Frank 52, start a unit this way. It looks like we have a 1183. I'm gonna be checking. You guys okay? Everybody okay?
Yeah, look at my phone.
Nobody's injured? Nobody's injured? What's the matter? Are you okay, or are you just worried about your car?
Huh?
Are you okay?
No, I'm okay. I'm just pissed because.
Your car?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure you're not injured, man. How many people were in this one? Just one?
Oh no, I just came
Just
to
you?
check his head.
You okay?
Touching it.
I'm just past.
Hey, partner, are you okay? Are you injured? I want to get you paramedics if you need them.
I'm just past Willow. I'm just past Willow. Somebody just slammed.
Hey, man, come here a minute. Come over here to your car. What happened?
I was green. I was going. All of a sudden, everyone stopped. And I didn't see his. I thought I was going to see his car stop. So I tried to slide the brakes and go to the next lane because there's nobody in that lane. I hit his car on the side trying to get to the next lane.
Okay.
And but
That's
the
what
light was green. I was trying to figure out why wasn't no one going and the light was green.
Well, probably they might have been looking at me sitting over there, too.
Oh, man.
People
I
not
hate when
paying
that happens.
All right. Hey, that's why they call them accidents, man. Okay? They're accidents. They're not intentional, okay? Wait by your car, okay, so we don't have a bunch of people in the street. What happened?
I was just sitting, bro.
Just sitting?
Yeah, the light was turning green. We started to pull up. Bam!
What's your name?
John.
John, is that your car, John?
Yeah.
Are you okay? You injured at all?
I'm a little dizzy.
You're a little dizzy?
Yeah.
All right. Will you do me a favor? Will you run over to that traffic stop? Let them know I will be right back with them. Okay, let me just brief Luther. Be careful. Hey, did his mom pull up?
How am I supposed to?
Your mom drive a red car? Don't freak out. They're all right. Okay, they just
No.
they hit a guy and went off the street.
This is his fourth.
His fourth what?
Fourth totaling a car.
Oh my gosh.
No, one total and 3 accidents. None of the other cars are totaled except for just the one.
Oh yeah,
the
well,
last one.
no, two Eclipses totaled. No, 2 Eclipses.
No,
a Cavalier.
one Eclipse totaled, the Cavalier totaled, and that was it.
And this one. So that's 3 total. Excuse me, hello.
The most important thing is your son is okay.
Look,
Right.
as pissed off as I am, he should have been to the hospital. Michael, 3. And how the hell are you gonna get to work? How the hell?
Mom, I can catch the 4. Think
How
about
you
it.
gonna get home?
Don't look at me. Okay, fine. I'll just ask for a ride.
Don't look at me.
Well, at least you guys weren't hurt, man.
I could have been in the hospital. I still wouldn't have been caring about that. That's just what it is.
It's just a car.
But yeah, but I mean, I didn't like the car in the first place because it was automatic and I like manuals, but still, it was my car, and I was taking, I was No, it was a car. It was good, you know? And it had a rag top, so the girls liked it.
Yeah, the summer's coming up too, man. You kind of blew that. The other lady and the kid over here sat over here for a couple minutes. I kind of felt bad, you know. I gave them a little toy and stuff, and sent them on their way without a ticket. So she definitely will probably be watching for red lights now.
.10.5, I was just rammed. Hey, stop the car.
211, 16.
187. I'm stopping my. Well, I might be able to get out. But I'm kind of. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! I got you covered. Can't see. Get off.
Down the brace road, I've got 173 with me.
He just stole the patrol car.
Just moments after he's handcuffed and taken into police custody, a suspect wiggles his way into the driver's seat of a squad car and steals the police vehicle. After that, he leads police on a high-speed chase that ends in a fiery crash.
You got the keys in it? Good sticks. We got them.
It happened in Otero County, Colorado on June 20th. That's where officials say 31-year-old suspect Anthony Alfonso Sanchez III had caused multiple crashes, purposely hitting other vehicles. Dash camera video shows first responders chase after Sanchez and force his vehicle to a stop.
Marked car, ticket number 1, please. Alright, 379 slowed down. Speeds of 28. Full traffic.
Body camera video then shows officers approach Sanchez's vehicle and put him in handcuffs.
Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
Exit the car! Hands up!
Got me? Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
What's going on? I got you. Dude,
get out on the ground.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't see
behind your back.
He's got a holster.
I didn't find a gun. It's right there. Okay.
Officials then take Sanchez into custody and put him in the back seat of a squad car.
Alright, pat him down. Shot at me, and I don't know what the f going on.
You're under arrest for this. It's TBI on my patrol vehicle.
You want us to be TBI?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Over here. Come on. Take this off of me.
And we have highway. Do you have any idea on how long?
Copy 1119.
Son. Stop.
What's that?
Open your back seat. Hey, sit in the car. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off. Anybody right now? Take your shoes off. Put your feet in. Hey, sit in the car. Okay. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off. Anybody right now? Shoes off. Lift up. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Sit. Put your feet in.
As a homeowner or a prospective homeowner, you may like to know people's...
Officials note that a loaded weapon is found inside Sanchez's vehicle.
Let's clear that firearm.
Okay, that's good.
It was loaded and chambered. Loaded and chambered.
Okay.
So I go ahead and clear you 3 years if you will.
Meanwhile, in the backseat of the squad, Sanchez appears to begin crying.
Credit Union offers fixed-rate mortgage loans that can be amortized for up to 30 years. They also offer 5-year adjustable rate mortgages that can be amortized for up to 30 years. And finally,
But seconds later, video from inside the squad shows Sanchez maneuver his body to move the handcuffs from behind his back to in front. Once the cuffs are in front of him, Sanchez slides into the driver's seat of the squad.
and potentially a lot of money. If your answer is yes, then KVA...
Sheriff 210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning clear boat, no record.
With that, he takes the wheel and drives off in the now stolen vehicle.
Suspect just stole a CSP patrol car. He is eastbound, high rated speed on 50.
To success. Phone lines are open. Call now. 336-8734.
And where I copy?
County Road, a stolen CSP patrol car. Eastbound 50. It'll be a Charger. They need a spike stripping if they can.
Oh. Fella, he just stole the patrol car.
Dash camera video shows Sanchez speeding off, even running a red light as officers yell over the radio.
Notified Penn County, we need stop sticks out for this vehicle. It is a marked patrol unit. Lights are activated.
One on Otero County Mac. We're going to be trying to catch up to this vehicle.
P14, which direction is that?
Highway 50.
We are eastbound 50 from La Junta. I do not have eyes on him. There's 3 PD officers in front of me. I have 2 Charlie 3 on board.
Officials quickly note Sanchez has access to a rifle left behind in the police vehicle.
I need as many sets of stop sticks set up as you can get.
We got 425. We're eastbound about the 425. We'll find a good spot. I notified Powers. They're going to set up as well. Can you get a hold of State Patrol and find out if this individual is armed, please?
He is not anymore. Well, like my rifle.
The rifle is in the vehicle. He was not armed. The gun was left in the vehicle. Passing the 390. Speed's 123.
As Sanchez speeds along the highway, officials work to set up stop sticks to slow the vehicle.
Mark's Charger is the one that was stolen. I'm in a gray unmarked. Mark's Charger. He's driving down the middle of the lane. Get stop sticks out. As many sets as you can get.
Coming at you, Jay. First car.
Eastbound in the westbound lane. Eastbound in the westbound lane. 393. Coming up on stop sticks. He missed him. Continuing eastbound. Please get a set of stop sticks on this guy.
Twice, Sanchez avoids the stop sticks.
One of the Chargers take lead on this. We're running out of fuel.
One coming up right now, and I'll come up behind him.
Copy 1140.
Bin 5, bin 4 on primary.
Did he get him?
Are you the lead vehicle? 10-9? Not yet. I will be. I'm leaving with money.
But it's the third set of stop sticks that finally slows Sanchez to a stop after crashing head-on into a parked semi.
Is that what she said? You want me to take this? Okay. Switch, Candy. I don't have vehicle. Where's the keys? You got the keys in it? I don't have vehicle. Where's the keys? Good sticks. Good sticks. We got them.
Body camera video then shows officials rush to the crash site where the squad has caught fire.
Where would you like me at?
Good, well, let's try through. We got a vehicle on fire.
Sanchez was removed from the wreck and taken to the hospital where he later died of his injuries. The semi-truck driver was not injured in the crash. Right now, it's still under investigation by the Colorado Bureau of Investigation.
Power 210. Like Willie, suspect, he does have a long gun. He's got a long gun in the driver's seat. You gotta be careful, he's got a long gun. From westbound, on our east towards Drexel. Yes, that is a furnace sign. It is pursuable. Bravo 210 is a white Ford dual extended cab.
Just past Ginsburg exit on the connector.
High-powered rifle in the vehicle.
Looking back to
traffic.
HQ, want you alert zone 1, or 100 alert zone 1, one in the zone 1.
Fever, passing, total, eastbound, fever. All units, this is a 088 suspect is on the signal 10. I get somebody in front of you, stop 6, please. Looks like he's on 95 south.
100 alert zone 3, zone 3.
Looks like he might be jumping on I-10.
Zone 4.
I-10 west. Still I-10 westbound.
Maybe going back to McDuff. Maybe going back to McDuff.
South on Roosevelt.
HQ, get some units with me. I'm the only one. We're on Roosevelt, heading towards Blandy.
Should be crossing Big Duck on Roosevelt. Whatever, any of you can get in front of us, stop sticking. South on Roosevelt, passing Edgewood. Available units start paralleling and also for bailout. Southbound Roosevelt approaching Plymouth.
He drive.
You still southbound on Roosevelt, just past Plymouth Street. Southbound Roosevelt, about to pass Park. 10 vehicle as well. Hello, there's going to be another intersection you may be going through south on Roosevelt. 24, 85, right, Gino. South on Roosevelt, going over here, Cedar Bridge. Might be at 10 o'clock, maybe somebody at 10 o'clock.
To that unit, I'm gonna pit him. I got heavy front end damage. Okay, you sure? All right. 2480 vehicle is now southbound and northbound lanes in Roosevelt. Signal 4. You okay, buddy?
Roosevelt going down to
You all right?
Yeah, 4.
Good? Yeah. Load up, buddy. Load up.
1014, rescue 1016. I've got him coming.
Hey, you sure you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
He's JFRD supposedly? Okay. Yep. Can you help her?
Elderly female bleeding.
Okay.
Yeah, that sucked.
A Florida police officer is off the job after he crashed his patrol car while watching, let's just say, things he definitely should not have been watching at that time. Newly released body cam footage shows the deputy's reaction to the accident, and an internal investigation report shows he came clean before resigning. 28-year-old Tristan McComber was a deputy with the Lake County, Florida Sheriff's Office, and he apparently crashed his patrol vehicle into the back of another car that was stopped for a school bus. And after that, what did he do? He subsequently decided to quit instead of being fired. Now you might be saying, wait a second, Jesse, why would he quit? It's probably an accident, right? Why would he quit over this? You see, the fact that he crashed isn't the reason he was the subject of an internal investigation. No, it's because of what he was doing just before the accident. And to talk more about that, I'm going to bring in Alexis Rosenberg, trial attorney, federal litigator, to talk more about this. Thanks so much for coming here on Sidebar. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Now, before I get your reaction to all of this, I want to play a little bit of the body cam video. So the audio doesn't come in until just after McComber rear ends the car, but you can tell he has something in his right hand, and that looks like a phone.
Attention, 911 assist is turned off. Therefore, a 911 assist call will not be made by sync. Attention, 911 assist is turned off. Therefore, a 911 assist call will not be made by sync.
2980 County, 65 Signal 4. You can use Creston and County Road 435. I'm going to be involved. There's going to be Signal 16. So, 10-4.
So this accident happened back in November in Sorrento, Florida, around 1:30 in the afternoon. Then Deputy McComber hit the other car hard enough to deploy his airbag, which of course would leave anybody disoriented. But he gets out of the patrol car and eventually reaches down to pick up, again, his phone from the floorboard.
Oh, darn it. Yeah, that sucked. Yeah, I'm good. Hello, ma'am. Are you okay? I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
My brain's locked up.
Okay.
You good?
I was like, oh my goodness, wait. Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Do you just want to pull
Yeah,
up right
should I
here?
pull for more? Okay.
Just to make sure you're out of the turn lane.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're out of the turn lane.
You could hear McComber say that his brakes locked up, seemingly blaming that for why he couldn't stop in time. And we don't know if the driver of that car was injured in any way, but she appeared to be conscious, alert when McComber was talking with her. So, Alexis, let me bring you in here. You know, what's your reaction to that video? First thoughts.
When you first look at the video, you're not really sure what he's grabbing for, the movement. You really have to focus in on the video to see, as you mentioned, that there's a phone that he is grabbing for. So you don't know that he necessarily was doing anything inappropriate.
And we will get into what seemingly really did cause this crash. And oh boy, is it something. But before we get into that, you know, his reaction, disoriented, he's relatively calm considering he knows he's at fault for what just happened, though, right?
Well, he knew what he was doing, even though it wasn't at first glance so evident in the video. But he definitely knew, which we later find out, that he was doing something inappropriate. He shouldn't have been doing that. As well as in the video, we can see that he jumped out of the car and it doesn't appear he had his seatbelt even on.
Ah, and yes, we will talk about that a little bit more. So McComber had radioed into dispatch. An investigator came out to document the scene. According to an internal report, McComber told officials that he had just finished up a phone call with another deputy when he'd seen the sedan stopped in the road for a school bus on the other side of the street with its lights flashing. He claims the brakes on his patrol car locked up. And McComber also told officials that the ABS light on his dashboard had been lit up since he had some calibrations done on the speedometer. Here is the problem with that. An investigator looked back at that body cam video that we were just playing you and saw that McComber was looking at something on his phone when he crashed. So what was he looking at? Well, let's start with this. So we got our hands on the internal report, which details how an investigator followed up with McComber the day after the crash to ask him about the fact that you could see he was looking at something on his phone. It reads, quote, DS McComber advised me that he was traveling behind the vehicle and had just finished a phone call with DS Hoffman. He went on to say that he was scrolling through text messages on his phone from a group text with his Sector 3 colleagues just prior to the crash. He stated he was not sending text messages when the crash occurred. After speaking with DS McComber, I reviewed the videos again. DS McComber's right hand comes down into view of the body-worn camera and you can see the screen of the cell phone. On the screen of the phone, you can see that DS McComber is viewing a picture or a video at the time of the crash, and he was not scrolling through text messages. Upon further review, you can see D.S. McComber exit the patrol vehicle at approximately, and it gives the timestamp there, and there is no evidence of him removing his seatbelt. He looks back into his patrol vehicle, and you can see the driver's seatbelt is latched and tied against the seat. It appears that the seatbelt was latched behind his back and not being utilized at the time of the crash. So then, the investigator follows up with McComber's usual supervisor, who told him there were no videos or photographs in the group chat between him and the other Sector 3 members like McComber had said. So at this point, McComber is written up for 3 violations of department policy. One is departure from the truth, another is certain use of electronic handheld devices prohibited, and another is use of safety belt. So the first, departure from the truth, is because he said he was viewing text from the group chat when it was clear he was looking at some sort of image. It wasn't the group chat. And they don't even know what exactly those images or image is as of yet. Now, as we wonder whether or not Mr. McComber may need a great lawyer, Alexis, talk to me about these violations and talk to me about the fact that how many times in your career does one person say something and yet the digital evidence, the body cam, the cell phone, it tells the true story of what's going on?
First, let's just say liar, liar, pants on fire. You would think he would know better. Also, he knows the policies and procedures, and he knows that if there's an accident in a police car, that they are going to go back, do an investigation. They're going to look at body cam. They're going to look at dashboard cam. I just don't even see how he thought he was going to get away with this. But I mean, now that videos are so prevalent and that we have them so many times in court cases and investigations, workers' comp investigations, they're so prevalent, you should just assume they exist, because that is really going to speak volumes. If we didn't have that, nobody probably would have even suspected that this was anything but what he was saying.
Yeah, and talk to me about the violations, because my understanding is even if he hadn't resigned, and we haven't even talked about what was on the phone yet, if he hadn't resigned, just the fact that he wasn't wearing the safety belt, was looking at something on his phone, was not being honest, that would have been grounds for him to be fired, right?
It would, but most police departments have a union, and there is a pretty long and in-depth policy and procedure to enable them to actually be fired. A lot of times we'll hear they're put on administrative leave during an investigation. So a full-on investigation in those processes, due process, he would have a right to. So it wouldn't be simply that they did those violations and then they would turn around and say, fire him the next day. But based on what we know from this video and what has come out, and it does appear that they do have a valid reason for termination.
So now we go back to the investigative report, okay? And it states on November 12th, 2024, D.S. McComber was served with his subject officer notification and given a copy of the officer's Bill of Rights. On November 19th, this detective received a copy of the Sector 3 text group messages for the date of the crash. The group's text messages contain no memes or videos, again saying that he wasn't being honest about what he was looking at. On November 20th, 2024, this detective met with D.S. McComber at the Office of Professional Standards to complete an interview. D.S. McComber was given time to review the case file prior to any questioning. D.S. McComber was read his administrative notification and he agreed to tell the truth. Real quick, Alexis, this is all to show that he has his due process rights that are being adhered to, right? You know, he's been given notice, he's been given a copy. That's what this is all about, right?
Correct. They're following the procedure in order to be able to ultimately, if they make a determination, terminate him appropriately.
Got it. Okay. So now it goes on to say, D.S. McComber stated that he was on the phone with D.S. Hoffman prior to the vehicle crash, but he was on his personal phone after that phone call looking at inappropriate pictures. D.S. McComber was asked to clarify what he meant by inappropriate pictures, and he stated pornographic material like boobs or whatnot. It actually says that, like boobs or whatnot. D.S. McComber stated he was looking at images that contained nudity. Alexis, the cat's out of the bag. This member of law enforcement was allegedly looking at porn when he crashed the car. Does it get any worse than that?
Well, he was specifically looking at boobies while he crashed the car. I mean, there are so many things wrong with this. he, like you mentioned, he doesn't have the seatbelt on. He's looking at porn. He's not paying attention. Ultimately, he hits a car that was stopped for a bus. So we're at a bus stop or in a school zone. He's not following, it appears, like any of the policies that he is mandated to do it, and has no concern for public safety either.
And what's scary is he could have killed someone. He really could have killed someone. We talk about distracted driving all the time. You mentioned to me prior that she could theoretically have a lawsuit against the police department and him, right?
Well, she most likely is going to. Hopefully she wasn't hurt, but I'm assuming because the airbags deployed that there was a decent amount of damage that was done to both of the cars, because the deployment of the airbag does require a certain amount of force. So at a minimum, the repair of the car, more, injuries that she possibly sustained, or anybody else that may have been in that car could have sustained, there would be potential lawsuit against the police department.
Now, in his interview, McComber continued to talk about the ABS and the traction control in the patrol car, reiterating that the lights came on after the speedometer calibrations he had just done. But DS McComber, quote, stated the information in his report concerning the ABS and traction control lights being on was more of a deflection than a genuine reason for the vehicle crash. DS McComber stated that he had those lights come on before in his other department-issued vehicles, and there had never been a problem with the brakes before this incident. DS McComber advised he never tested his brakes prior to the vehicle crash that day, even though he had plenty of time and distance to do so before the vehicle crash. Lexus, what do you make of that?
Well, I think it's interesting that he decided at this point that he was going to be truthful when he was going down that road of lies. I think that it's possible that there was some sort of talk or agreement that he would resign and admit to his wrongdoings. I just think for him to come clean at this point, there may have been something else going on there.
And McComber, of course, knew he was being dishonest in his report because he told the investigator, DS McComber stated that he knew he was looking at inappropriate pictures, which was the leading cause of the crash. And he deliberately left that information out of his report. He stated that it's called lying by omission. And he further said he knows that one all too well. I mean, I don't mean to laugh, but my gosh, what are we talking about here? And it says DS McComber was asked about a meeting with Sergeant Walls and what they discussed. He was explicitly asked if he lied to Sergeant Walls when he said he was looking at text messages in the Sector 3 group chat, and he said, yes, sir. DS McComber further stated that he knew he was lying to Sergeant Walls during their conversation. DS McComber was asked about wearing his seatbelt during the vehicle crash, and he stated he did not. He stated he believes it more tactically sound not to be seatbelted while on patrol. He stated that it has been his standard practice to not wear a seatbelt, but he knows he should do so according to policy and state statute. Alexis, by the way, talking about potential charges, could he be fined under Florida law for not wearing a seatbelt?
He could be fined for not wearing a seatbelt. Also, he could be charged with, hindering an investigation because he was lying during an investigation, lying on, the public records under oath. If it was under oath when they were doing this investigation, I'm not quite sure. So there are things that he could possibly be charged with. The likelihood is that he most likely is not going to be charged with them, and it was part of the agreement having to do with him resigning. Now, that being said, in Florida, ultimately, it is the state attorney and not the police that determine whether someone's going to officially be charged with a crime and what that official charge would be. But the likelihood is that this isn't going to go any further. My concern is, though, how many other times has he lied or not followed procedures previous to this incident, because he seems to have a complete disregard. He knows he's been trained on what they are, and he doesn't care. He's pretty much doing whatever he wants to do.
Let's talk about that for a second. Are you saying that in cases of police misconduct, that they're old cases that might not even be related to this, where he testified, where he investigated something, they could be reopened by defense attorneys and say, we can't trust this guy anymore, this whole case is tainted? Is that something that defense attorneys could be looking at right now?
I think that going backwards is probably won't go that open. I don't think it's going to be a basis necessarily to reopen, because he wasn't wearing a seatbelt and he's looking at porn while driving, reopening past cases. But I do think that the credibility issue on cases going forward, which he would have to testify on, the court could possibly let it in because it does go towards honesty and his credibility, and letting that in and saying that what he says and what is contained in previous reports may lack credibility.
Well, in conclusion, the report states D.S. McComber admitted to knowingly lying in his original report. He also admitted to lying to Sergeant Walls about the incident. D.S. McComber stated he was looking at pornographic material on his personal phone just before the vehicle crash. He further advised that he was not wearing his seatbelt during the vehicle crash, which was his standard practice. And so McComber was facing termination, instead decided to resign, and he had been on the force since 2021 when the sheriff had welcomed him with a photo on the department's Facebook page. Alexis, thanks so much for coming on. Really, really appreciate your insight. What a case to talk about. This was not one that I was prepared for, but really appreciate your insight as always.